Namaskar, my name is Raghav Maheshwari and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Revolution Make It Simple. In this lecture series on Indian geography, I have already covered lectures on overview of Indian political map, its states and union territories with their capitals, areas and populations. We have also seen India's neighboring countries. If you have not watched those videos, please go through them. The links are in the description below. Now, in this video, I will be covering physical divisions of India. In continuation of the first physical feature, that is the Himalayas, I will deal about the longitudinal division of India from west to east and the mountain ranges of north and northeast India. I will deliver these topics through mapping technique so that you can have a very good grip on the topic. Please have an atlas with you. So without any delay, let's begin. पहले हम देखेंगे फिजिकल डिविजन्स ऑफ इंडिया यानी भारत के भौतिक खंड. This is the line map of India. These are the boundaries of maximum extent of these divisions. The first divisions are the Himalayas. They cover an area of 6,17,300 square kilometers, stretching from Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, passing through Union Territory of Ladakh, states of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Sikkim. After Arunachal Pradesh, they take a sharp turn towards south and their fragment ranges are found in Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Assam and Meghalaya. The second divisions are the northern plains covering an area of 7,63,275 square kilometers spanning from Punjab and parts of Rajasthan in the west to West Bengal in the east, covering Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and northern parts of Jharkhand. These were formed by the deposition of sediments of Indus River system. The eastern part of these plains is in Assam, also called Brahmaputra Plains. The third physical features of India are the Great Indian Desert. They cover an area of 238,254 square kilometers. They are covering the state of Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat. Number 4 physical feature of India is the Peninsular Plateau. It covers an area of 16 lakh square kilometers, that is about 50% of the total geographical area of India. It is spanning in southeast Rajasthan, eastern Gujarat, parts of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The fifth physical features of India are the coastal plains, that is the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. They are lying in the states of Gujarat, parts of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. The last physical features are the islands. They cover an area of 6,900 square kilometers. They consist of Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea and Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal. Now we will discuss the longitudinal divisions of Himalayas. The first divisions are Kashmir Himalayas. They cover an area of 3,50,000 square kilometers. They lie entirely in Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The average length and width of these Himalayas are 700 km and 500 km respectively. The average height of these Himalayas is 3000 meter and the highest peak of these Himalayas is K2, which is 8,611 meter above mean sea level. The second division are Himachal Himalayas. They cover an area of 45,000 square kilometers. They lies in Himachal Pradesh, and the important passes of these Himalayas are Rohtang Pass, Baralacha, and Shipki La. La means passes. The third division of these Himalayas are the Kumaon Himalayas. They cover an area of 38,000 square kilometers. Their average length is 320 kilometers. They lie entirely in state of Uttarakhand, and the highest peak of these Himalayas is Nanda Devi Parvat, which is 7,817 meters above mean sea level. With an area of 1,16,800 square kilometers and lying in Nepal and Sikkim. The Central Himalayas are the third division of Himalayas. Their average length is 800 kilometers, and the highest peak of these Himalayas in Nepal is Mount Everest, which is above 8,848.86 meters above mean sea level, and the highest peak of these Himalayas in India is Kanchenjunga, which is above 8,598 meters above mean sea level. The last division of the Himalayas are the Eastern Himalayas. They cover an area of 67,500 square kilometers. They lie entirely in states of Northeast India. The average length of these Himalayas is 720 kilometers, and the highest peak is Namcha Barwa, which is above 7,756 meters above mean sea level. अब हम देखेंगे नॉर्थ और नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया की माउंटेन रेंजेस. पहले हम देखेंगे नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया की माउंटेन रेंजेस, फिर हम देखेंगे नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया की माउंटेन रेंजेस. इसमें सबसे पहले आती हैं काराकोरम रेंज, फिर आती है लद्दाख रेंज, फिर आती है जंस्कर रेंज. ये तीनों रेंजेस काराकोरम रेंज, लद्दाख रेंज और जंस्कर रेंज जम्मू कश्मीर में लाई करती हैं. फिर आती है पीर पंजाल रेंज और धौलाधार रेंज. ये दोनों रेंजेस हिमाचल प्रदेश और जम्मू कश्मीर दोनों में लाई करती हैं. फिर आती है मसूरी रेंज और कुमाऊं रेंज. ये दोनों रेंजेस उत्तराखंड में लाई करती हैं. नाउ द अरावली रेंज. They lie mostly in the state of Rajasthan, extending from Delhi to Gujarat in northeast direction. Now we will quickly cover the mountain ranges of northeast India. These are Darjeeling Hills lying in the state of West Bengal and Sikkim. The 5 mountain ranges of Arunachal Pradesh are Dafla Hills, Miri Hills, Abor Hills, Mishmi Hills and Patkai. These are Naga Hills lying in the state of Nagaland. These are East Manipur Hills lying in the state of Manipur, and Lamatol Range also lie in the state of Manipur. These are Mizo Hills lying in the state of Mizoram. These are Purvachal Range lying in the state of Tripura. The 4 mountain ranges of Assam are Bhuvan Hills, Mekir Hills, Ringma Hills and Baral Range. The 3 mountain ranges of Meghalaya are Garo Hills, Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills. I hope you found this video informative. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. धन्यवाद and Jai Hind.